So why did events feels natural to me? So I think because events are emotional. So when you feel the emotion of your client or kahit someone lang, 'di ba? Parang dun ka kasi makaka-connect sa tao eh kapag na-feel mo yung emotions nila. Ibinubuk kami ng kliyente not because of how we look or how we offer. They book us because they want us dun sa wedding nila. Me also as an event planner, that's also my niche na parang when I talk to clients or parang the prospect clients pa lang, I'll make sure na parang I'll promise to them na I'm gonna be there on their wedding. And that's the assurance. So it's not just planning kasi, it's also holding space for people on their important days. And it's also a responsibility for us, not just a glamour. So people also thinking kasi na pag event planner ka, parang, "Uy, yaman mo!" Parang gano'n, lalo pag magaganda yung event. It's just like, sometimes they stereotyping yun na, puro glamour lang naman. No, it's not like that. Once kasi you organize something, a big milestone sa isang tao, parang lifetime yung pagka-grateful nila sa'yo. So, ang dali-dali ko magkaroon ng magandang relationship sa different kinds of people, especially to my clients. Kasi pag nasatisfied ko sila, parang forever na nila akong maaalala. Kaya very fulfilling yung gantong industry kahit sobrang stressful siya. Kasi yun talaga, hindi na babayaran ng any amount of money yung ganong pakiramdam na napufulfill mo yung isang tao at nagiging part ka ng milestone ng life nila. In the first episode, I talk about who I was growing up and how I became more aware of myself. But today, I want to talk about something that's always been there for me. Welcome to Kerbu. This is a space for conversation about creating beautiful things, whether that's events, ideas, growth, or moments that matter. I'm Jerome, and this is the beginning.